Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I'm just going to discuss about what is API, what are the use of APIs, and different type of API. Okay, APIs. APIs stand for Application Programming Interface. Okay, Application Programming Interface. Interface. We all understand about it, and the thing is why we use interface means when we are having two different component, okay, and we want to access something between those component, then definitely we need interface. Okay, and applications means to perform certain tasks we need application. Okay, so if we are using different applications and we want to collect, or we want to connect, or we want to use the output of those two or more applications, then definitely we need the interface between these. Okay, so what's that providing? This is provided by the APIs. Let's just understand in a very simple way and in the layman's style. Let's go deeper. Here is the motherboard, everyone knows about it, and there are multiple components. Okay, and say for example this is this is the motherboard for a laptop. Clear? And we are installing operating system on it and applications, different applications, and we just started our work. Clear? So what's making sense here about the APIs? Let's go deeper. For example, here are in this picture, just you can see, for example, this is the slot for processor. Okay, it is having lot many functionality inside it. Okay, and there are multiple components. For example, you can see here there are the different components, and these are connected. Clear? And just to connect the other components, there are interfaces. Means whatsoever task we are performing, it's just collecting the input from so many devices and present in front of us whatever the desired result we are seeking for. Clear? So here this is the interface, which is just providing the connectivity between two or more components and working in a sync and giving us the output. Clear? If we understand in the application layer, let's just go back again here. We are having a operating system. Okay, what exactly is the operating system? Operating system uh, having so many programs. Okay, so those programs performing different tasks, and the hardware is also having some kind of software inside of it, that's called firmware. That's firmware, and the operating system we installed on the hardware, it is having different pieces of different functions, different programs, which are collecting, which are working with each other. And then how they just are presenting the data in front of us, because there are different programs, different functions. Clear? That is done by the API. When we call on the application layer and on the software, we can say, means at the application level we also need the interface, which is at the software base, which can connect those two different programs or the different software. That is done by the API. Okay, and now just let's see this another picture. when we go to restaurant, okay, and there are multiple dishes in the kitchen, or waiter is here who can serve us whatever we need. So it's just like different applications are here, okay. And being a user, we just request, and who will collect that request? The waiter. And then waiter will go to the kitchen and will present our request. Yes, this the item I want to eat or drink, and then he will come back with that order and will present in front of us. That's the response. So here is waiter is the API. Similar term, when we are using different applications, our mobile, our laptop, our devices are just full of different apps. How they are just presenting us data with the help of the APIs. Over the internet, we are collecting the data from different applications, from different uh, uh, websites. How we are getting? Either that data is static, not changing, or frequently it's changing, whether the weather report or the stock market or Facebook, Twitter, social media, that's continuously changing. And that's how just we are getting those information with the help the APIs is there, because that are the interface at the app, which can communicate with the applications, which can transfer the data what we need it. So same way, when we send a request to the server, and server will present us the reply. This is who is performing the task. The API is taking a request, sending to the server, and the server will send that response with the help of the APIs. Okay, so what are the different type of APIs? Private APIs, partner APIs, public, database, operating system level APIs are there. Remote, for accessing the remote devices, APIs are there. Web APIs are there. Okay, so there are many APIs which are really useful nowadays, and it's just playing a very crucial role in cybersecurity as well. We are collecting logs, we are collecting security intelligence, okay, from different websites. We can get those information at centralized location. So API is very useful. Here is you can see there are number of APIs which are giving us so many different opportunity to see the different type of data, or connecting with the different apps. So isn't it so awesome, wonderful to know about what is APIs? And if we will configure insecure APIs, then definitely it can be disaster for us as well. So carefully on use those APIs and enjoy the different apps. Clear? So follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends and group members as well, so that they can understand what exactly are the APIs, uh, how it works, and what's the use of those APIs, different type of APIs. Okay, and in the next session, I'm just going to discuss about what is cloud security. So see you in the next session. Namaste.